In this video, we are going to learn how to read the genetic code, how to read individual codons, and how to translate codons into amino acid sequences. So the genetic code is read in triplets. 3 nucleotides make one triplet or one codon. And we know that every polypeptide after translation starts with the amino acid methionine. This is methionine. What codon codes for methionine? We look first at this column. This column tells us about the first nucleotide. The first nucleotide coding for methionine in the codon of methionine is A. The second nucleotide is U. And now the third is G. So AUG is the codon for methionine. This is how we start our polypeptide sequence. Let's say this polypeptide sequence has proline as an amino acid. What codon codes for proline? First thing you do is you look at this table and you locate proline. This is where we find proline. Isn't it weird though that we found 4 prolines and not 1? Well, not really, because remember that the genetic code is degenerate. We have amino acids that are coded for by more than 1 codon. Proline specifically is coded for by 4 codons. So proline is C, C, and any of these 4 bases. So proline can be CCC, it can be CCU, CCA, and CCG. So now we have methionine and proline, and as you can see, we have a peptide bond between them. We are starting to form our polypeptide. Now think about this one. We want next to have tyrosine. What codon codes for tyrosine? Again, first step is to locate where tyrosine is. This is tyrosine in the table. It is coded for by 2 codons. Both start with U. So first we have U, then we have A, and then we have either U or C. So now we have tyrosine as the third amino acid. And this time I won't tell you what amino acid we are looking for. I'm going to tell you the codon, and you have to guess what amino acid will come out of it. So what if this next codon is A, U, U? That's isoleucine. Now what if the codon that comes after that is G, C, G? Can you guess what amino acid it is? You just follow these steps. The first is G, the second is C, and the third is G, and there we go, it's alanine. Alanine is coded for by 4 codons. It can be GCG, GCA, GCC, and GCU. Amazing! Now, remember that we have stop codons. We have to have this stop at some point. Stop codons are 3. We have the stop codon UAG. We have UAA. And can you guess the third one? What is the third stop codon? There it is. It is UGA. And so you see no amino acid was added here. It just stopped. So we synthesized this polypeptide chain using the genetic code. Easy, simple, and somehow it is the secret to all life.